EP Easter is here, and I'll be celebrating the death and resurrection of my Christ with this beauty. So our chicken has been finally killed, and you can see me pouring over it steaming hot water. All I need to do is pour it over it, then take out the chicken because I don't want it getting cooked while I'm still trying to suss it out. Now you see me pulling out, plugging out all the feathers. If you feel it's now getting cold or it's not pulling out easily as before, you dip it into the hot water again, you remove it. Note, you don't want to keep it in the hot water for long because they are tender and it begins to get slightly cooked if you don't do that. So you plug out all the feathers. Look at me picking out the skin from the feet. Ensure every single one is being plugged out. We are done with doing that, but there are some thin hair that is not so easy to pull out with your hands. So you see me trying to smoke it out, just running through the naked fire for a while. After this, I go back to my bowl, I clean it up, I rinse it up, then it's ready to be dismantled, to be dismembered. I'm sure many of you don't know how to dismember your chicken. So now I go for the thigh first. I cut in between the thigh, trying to open it up. I might not be able to explain it all with my speech, but try to just have a close view and notes as I work with it. Thank you. So rip the thigh apart. After doing that, you want to go for the wings. You rip them apart as well. You fill the joints, break them up, cut off the wings. After doing that, we want to go for the chest. So you go beneath, close to the nuts. You cut it open slightly because if you go too deep, you have to cut through some intestine, and there are some parts of intestine you don't need to touch. I don't know if you can see that green thing. That's the bile. Once it gets busted, it makes your chicken bitter. Everything will go bitter no matter how much you cook it. So you want to be careful with that. That's why you don't have to cut all through into the chicken when you're trying to open the chest up. So you see me pulling out the intestine, trying to dismember it from the various joints where they are all connected to. Be careful with the intestine. I repeat, be careful. Can you see this green thing here? This one right here, that's the bile. It must not burst. So you just try as much as possible, carefully remove the kidney around it. After doing that, you carefully remove the gizzard as well. Then you can trash the remaining intestine after this. You can see I ensure it's not busted. Take note, it must not burst. You can see emphasis, must not. So I'm going for my kidney. Yeah, that's my kidney. Oh, sorry, my gizzard. So that's my gizzard there. I'm trying to get it off. Once I get my gizzard, yeah, goodbye intestine. Then I slit my gizzard open. Just watch. Yes, I slit it open right there. I pour off the kidney stones in there. After doing that, I have to peel that thin sheet. It's very thin, but it's not hard. Just peel it off, otherwise it will be difficult for you to consume because it will harbor all the stones they pick from the ground. You can see it. I'm good to go, and your gizzard is ready. I dismember the other parts of the chicken. This is the bum bum. You say if you use bum bum, you'll be doing amebo. I don't know about that, but I love that part. It's actually fatty and yummy. It's juicy. So that's it. I'm cutting it out. Breaking the remaining parts of the chest. That's towards the neck axis. That's the ads. So I just want to dismember other parts of the chicken. No big deal about it. Once you have your bile out of the way, then you don't have any other thing to worry about. Every other thing is in safe hands. So I cut off the remaining part of the chicken, dismember it as much as you want. Anything you like, do with it. I'm breaking the chest bone. So I'm back to the head. I need to cut the back of that chicken. Then I slit the mouth open. That makes it easy for me to clean. Because of all those things they pick up, you slit it halfway open, so that way you can easily clean it up. After which I go for the feet. You saw me the other time breaking like the feet up from the other part, that's from the thigh. So I remove the nails. I chop them off. Do that, you chop it off. Remember, I've peeled the skin from this while we're using the hot water, so I'm just chopping off these nails right now. Voila, we are done. So I need to just rinse off the blood from the chicken. You can see I'm adding salt here. That's to clean off any germs, and aside from germs, at least you have things to just rinse off. And we are done. Thank you for watching. All I need to do now is go cook my yummy chicken. Thank you. Bye. Happy Easter.